Hey guys, this is my Lexus Is250, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a rundown of what my problem is. So I have a P2017 and a P0300 code, and I thought it was because of my intake manifold runner sensor, but when I changed that, I still kept getting those codes. So I looked up a video, and he changed the sensor, and he took out the whole runner to see if the butterfly valves are opening good and bad, and mine are actually opening really good. So I don't know what those codes could be giving me. Maybe I just need to drive on it more to get that sensor code away. But for the misfiring, the P0300 code, it could be my spark plugs. It could be the intake manifold runner sensor. I don't really know what it is anymore. So if you guys could help me, that'd be amazing. Yeah.